Hello, everyone, and welcome to Salesforce Atlas. And in today's episode, I will show you how to differentiate cases from standard accounts, standard customer accounts, and the platinum accounts. So if your service team receives a new case, how to let them know instantly that the case they received from the account is a platinum customer or a gold customer. I will create a rich text field and I will create a filter to show it only on cases where the account type is going to be account customer type will be platinum account or platinum customer. We shall see. I still need to create some fields. So let's begin. All right, as always, we are in my one of my Trailhead environments. And I will be sharing the screen and I will show you everything what I do step by step. And for this particular episode, I will need to create, as I mentioned, I will need to create either an additional field for a type or even create a new field for an account type. So I am currently here in Service Console and here in Accounts page. And this current example you can really use on any record type where you want to highlight information and make it outstanding. So let's just go. I will actually go ahead and I will create a new field with the new pick list values. So let's just go to my setup, and in setup, I will go to Object Manager and I will open Accounts. And in Accounts, I will want to create a new field, and the field name is going to be, all right, and the field name is, first of all, that's going to be a pick list values. So we'll have pick list, and the name will be customer type, account customer type. Now I'll just quickly check whether it is in here in Trailhead, and I guess I'll just go ahead and I'll create a new one. Maybe there is, maybe there isn't, but I will create customer type. And I will want to add my own values. We'll have a standard customer or platinum customer, and it can be anything else. It depends on your org. It depends on an individual company. You can have a gold customer, bronze, silver customer. You can imagine it can be anything really. So I'll have standard and platinum, and that's it. I'll just click next. It will be visible, and we'll leave it on all page layouts. Maybe I will just remove it and I will add it separately just in a second. Now I'll go to page layouts and I will use the master page layout. And in here, let's just think, where would I like this field to sit? So we'll have customer type. I'll just leave it in here, or maybe in here, account name and customer type. Why not? Let's quickly save this, and I will go ahead and I will double check if changes have been already applied, or maybe I still need to wait for it. All right, so I will have customer type in here. Now let's then use this account as an example, Express Logistics and Transport. And I will mark this account as platinum customer. This will be our premium platinum customer, now who have premium membership, let's say, or they have even more benefits. And I will go back onto this case. I think this case is actually, yes, it is also linked to this account, which is very good. Don't really have to look for anything else. And one more thing, maybe I will need to add our customer type to the page layout in here. Yes, I will need to do that as well. So I'll go back to our object manager. And now I will go to cases and case page layouts. Probably will use the standard one. Yeah, this should be a standard. I don't really see right now. It should be. So I will also add it in here. All right. Actually, I can't really add it. Okay. I will need to create another field, and let's create it. Let's create a formula field. Yes, so with exactly the same name. Going to be a customer type, and the outcome will be text. And this will be our so in our accounts, I would like to pull our customer type field and show this field in our case page layout. We'll check the syntax if it is correct. And all right, yes, that's a pick list value. So I will have to add as well text. Yes, everything is correct. And I will just save it. Select next, next, and I'll remove again from everywhere and add it separately. So I will save this, save the field, our formula field, and go to case page layouts, case layout, again, the master one. And I will find now our new field. And I'll just think, where would I like to place it? Maybe I'll just leave it somewhere in here, account name and our customer type. And there's another type in here. I'll just move it. All right, and I will go ahead and do a quick save. Again, double check in our, yes, in here. Whether changes have been made already, just to make sure that the field is in there, and it should be populated already. It should just show us that the account is, all right, I'll have to wait. The alt type field is, the original one is still right here until I have moved it, unless I'm using a different page layout in here. So for you to check which page layout you're using, you just need to go in here, go to edit page, and within seconds you can see what record type and what are you using exactly in here. So let's see. Go on to details and then just click anywhere in here. And it is showing the case page layout. So it means that updates they're just delayed, because this is the exact, as you can see in here, this is the exact layout I have updated right now. And this is the only one where I've added the new field. Then I'll just simply go back. And as you know, it takes time for updates to actually start working in your org. All right, so we will wait with this field, and whilst it is still updating, actually, I still need to go back to our, I'll need to go back to our, yeah, so you click edit page, and then here in Lightning App Builder, I will want to add the rich text field. And this rich text will be the main indicator, and that the account is a platinum account or it's a standard account. I will not show if it is a standard account, but here in details page, I will drag and drop rich text and I will place it at the very top. So I want my users to see the message. And now you can see actually it has updated. The customer type is platinum. And what I will going to do, I will increase the letter. I will just put it more central, and I will write that this is a platinum customer. And I will change the color to red and even make it bold. So you can see changes here, right in the middle of the top middle. I will increase to 14, maybe even to 16, or even to 18. All right, let's just do it. So what I will do next, I will want to leave the message for my service agents only on, I only want to have this field visible on actual cases where the customer type is platinum. Currently, it will show on all cases. And this right here in the bottom, here are the filter section, and you can filter, you can provide criteria, and you can just tell Salesforce when exactly do you want to highlight and leave this rich text field visible to users. And add a filter. I'll just add it now, and then we can remove it, and I can activate it or save it, and then I'll move it back again so we see the difference and the account. So what I would really like to do is to find the customer type in here. So this would be right here, and provide a criteria. So when do we want this field, the rich text field, to show? So this is going to be a customer type, and when it equals platinum. Yes, so set visibility. If records customer type is equals platinum, that's when I really want this text to be visible. And I will now just save it. And all right, so page is saved. All right, so it's actually, yeah, so I do need to activate it, and I will do it app default. So right now I'm using a service console app, assigned as app default, and let's see, I will use it on service console and click next and add it to desktop and phone, and to both. Yes, assign it to both app names, so phone and desktop, and just click save. So I will now go back, and I might need to refresh the page. So in Salesforce, you might know it is, all right, we can see our card in here. So in Salesforce, it's about just testing a lot, being patient, and changing windows, changing tabs until everything is ready. So customer type platinum is showing, and the platinum customer is showing as well in here. And as this is a formula field, it will pull information that will show in our accounts page. So what will happen now if I will change, now I'm in accounts, if I will change the customer type, and I will move it to a standard. So now our express logistics and transport will be a standard customer. And if I go on to cases, and I go back to our case, which was actually, oh yeah. If I go back now, as you can see, the customer type is standard, and the rich text field is hidden. And this is exactly what I'm looking for. So it means that only when the field customer type is platinum. So for platinum customer, there will be a higher priority. And I want my service agents to know about it. There are various ways how to prioritize cases, and this is just one of the ways how to highlight something that is a customer of high importance. Yes, and this will show platform customer to your users so they could quickly act on it and even change the priority for a customer type. There are so many things you can do, really. So these are one of the smaller things with rich text fields. So in this video, in this episode, you saw how you can prioritize your cases with some custom-made rich text fields, and you can use filters as well to apply, whether it is based on a record type, or it is based on an account name, or maybe it is based on a customer type, like it was in my current example. You can filter out, depends on whatever you will find in your system, really, or you can create a solution for this. And I think it is a really great way how to highlight the high priority customers and let your agents know that there would be more urgency for them to close the case if this message pops up. And thanks a lot for watching this. I really hope that the video was useful for you, and hope to see you viewers in my next videos again. Thanks a lot. And don't forget to watch my other videos. I think they're really good. So please go ahead, like, subscribe.